The Interstellar Alliance, a galactic epic. Chapter 1. The Dawn of Unity. In the 32nd century, humanity had expanded beyond Earth, colonizing distant star systems through advanced, faster-than-light FTL travel. Yet, as human settlements flourished, they encountered alien civilizations. These first contacts were not peaceful. Territorial disputes, misunderstandings, and xenophobia led to the Galactic Wars, a series of devastating conflicts that lasted over a century. By the end of the wars, many star systems lay in ruins, and the need for peace became undeniable. A coalition of visionaries, scientists, diplomats, and warriors who had grown weary of bloodshed proposed an audacious idea: a unified council representing all sentient species to resolve conflicts through dialogue instead of war. This was the birth of the Interstellar Alliance. Chapter 2. Founding the Alliance. The first council was established on a neutral world, Arrakis Prime, a lush planet with twin suns and a vast network of natural crystalline caves that shimmered with refracted light. The founding members of the Interstellar Alliance included humans from the Terran Federation, bringing their ingenuity and resourcefulness; Thalyrans, an aquatic race from the oceanic planet Thaliris, known for their wisdom and telepathic abilities; Drakthar, a warrior species from the volcanic world of Drakis, whose honor-bound culture valued strength and loyalty; Xenari, a hive-mind insectoid species from Xenar Prime, contributing unparalleled technological prowess; Erythians, an energy-based life form from the gaseous planet Erythia, capable of manipulating electromagnetic fields. Despite their differences, these species pledged to work together for the greater good. The Council's motto became Unity in Diversity, Strength in Alliance. Chapter 3. Threats from the Shadows. As the Alliance expanded, welcoming dozens of other species, it faced internal and external threats. Old rivalries simmered beneath the surface, and some species resisted joining, fearing loss of sovereignty. Among the most formidable external threats was the Vrax Dominion, a ruthless empire led by the enigmatic Vrax overlords. They sought to conquer the galaxy, viewing the Alliance as a direct threat to their ambitions. The Vrax launched surprise attacks on Alliance worlds, showcasing advanced cloaking technology and bioorganic warships. The Alliance scrambled to defend its members, leading to the creation of the Starfleet Command, a united defense force combining the best technologies and strategies of its member species. Chapter 4. The Rise of Heroes. In the face of mounting challenges, heroes emerged from all corners of the galaxy. Captain Mara Vance, a human Starfleet officer whose tactical brilliance turned the tide in many battles against the Vrax; Elithar, a Thalaran diplomat who brokered peace among feuding Alliance members, earning the nickname the Unifier; General Kyle of Drakthar, who led daring ground campaigns, earning respect even among his enemies; Unit 47, a Xenari hive emissary who sacrificed individual drones for the greater good; Luma, an Erythian explorer whose discovery of ancient artifacts revealed secrets of the galaxy's origins and offered clues to defeating the Vrax. Their stories inspired billions, solidifying the Alliance's vision of unity and hope. Chapter 5. The Final War. After years of skirmishes, the Vrax Dominion unleashed their ultimate weapon, the Oblivion Engine, capable of collapsing entire star systems into black holes. The Alliance mounted a desperate mission to infiltrate the Dominion's capital, Zarkon Prime, to destroy the engine. The mission brought together a diverse team: Captain Vance, General Kale, Elithar, Unit 47, and Luma. Each used their unique skills to overcome seemingly insurmountable odds. In a climactic battle, they succeeded in destroying the Oblivion Engine, but at great cost. General Kale and Unit 47 gave their lives to ensure the mission's success. The defeat of the Vrax marked a turning point. Survivors of the Dominion sued for peace, and the galaxy entered an era of unprecedented cooperation. Chapter 6. A new era. With the threat of the Vrax gone, the Interstellar Alliance focused on rebuilding. Technological exchanges, cultural festivals, and shared scientific endeavors became the norm. The Alliance even began preparing for its next great challenge, exploring beyond the known galaxy. The Alliance became a symbol of what could be achieved when differences were embraced rather than feared. The galaxy, once fractured by war, now stood united under a banner of peace, proving that even amidst the vastness of space, hope could thrive.